Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC file. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make WinRAR file in your Windows PC without any stress. How you can create this type of file folder in your Windows PC. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you right click on your Windows environment. Go ahead and go to New. Then go ahead and make sure you click on WinRAR icon. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have your folder right here. Then go ahead and put the name right here. New file. Then go ahead and hit enter. Then you have your file right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and open up the file. Double click on the file. Then this is going to come up right here. So here you can drag and drop as many as possible folders in this catalog right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this particular folder right here. I will drag and drop it in right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now here you have different options right here. Then you have your RAR, which has been selected as format. Then you have the megabyte file size right here. So next thing you want to do, you can as well set a password as the case may be. Go ahead and click on set password. Put in whatever password you want to put in right here. And then go ahead and hit on OK. So once you drag the folder, go ahead and hit on OK, and it's going to be embedded in right here. So let's go ahead and close this tab. By the time we come back right here, we double click on the RAR file again, and this is pop up. We click on here to close this pop up. Then we have the folder right here. So double click on it, and here you have all the elements you have in the folder right here. So you can drag and drop as many as possible file in this catalog right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.